Echo. Are there any weather warnings in effect?
In Trumbull, there's a high wind warning in effect Monday, April 13th from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. The current weather is 53 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies. Tonight, you can look for rainy weather with a low of 53 degrees. Would you like to know the weather for tomorrow?
Yes.
Weather alert for Trumbull. There's a high wind warning in effect Monday, April 13th from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Tomorrow, there will be thunderstorms with a high of 61 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 43 degrees. In Wheat Ridge, there's a winter storm warning in effect until Monday, October 26th, 6 a.m. The current weather is 10 degrees Fahrenheit with snow. You can expect more of the same tonight, with a low of 8 degrees.
So, what's the weather?
In Sims, there's a severe thunderstorm watch in effect until Saturday, March 27th, 8 p.m. The current weather is 75 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Today, you can look for rainy weather.
Alexa, what's the weather for Macon, Missouri?
In Macon, Missouri, there's a flash flood watch in effect Friday, July 9th, 7 p.m. to Saturday, July 10th, 10 a.m. The current weather is 78 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Today's forecast has intermittent clouds with a high of 87 degrees and a low of 70 degrees. In Springboro, Pennsylvania, there's a tornado warning in effect until Thursday, July 29th, 12:30 p.m.
My name is Good Luck Bear. Alexa, what's the weather in Huntsville, Alabama?
In Huntsville, Alabama, there's a flash flood watch in effect until Thursday, October 7th, 1 a.m. The current weather is 70 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Tonight, you can look for thunderstorms with a low of 67 degrees.
I'm Grumpy Bear. Alexa, what's the weather in Birmingham, Alabama?
In Birmingham, Alabama, there's a flash flood warning in effect until Wednesday, October 6th, 1 a.m. The current weather is 71 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Tonight, you can expect thunderstorms with a low of 68 degrees.
Alexa, I'm Funshine Bear. What's the weather in Nashville, Tennessee?
Currently, in Nashville, Tennessee, it's 68 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Tonight, you can expect thunderstorms with a low of 67 degrees.
And I'm Share Bear. Alexa, what's the weather in Memphis, Tennessee?
In Memphis, Tennessee, it's 67 degrees Fahrenheit with partly cloudy skies. Tonight, you can look for rainy weather with a low of 65 degrees.
I'm Tenderheart Bear. Alexa, what's the weather in Montgomery, Alabama?
In Montgomery, Alabama, there's a flash flood watch in effect until Thursday, October 7th, 1 a.m. The current weather is 71 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Tonight, you can expect thunderstorms, with a low of 67 degrees.
And I'm Cheer Bear. Alexa, what's the weather in Knoxville, Kentucky?
Currently, in Knoxville, Kentucky, it's 70 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Tonight, you can expect showers, with a low of 65 degrees.
Alexa, tell me my notifications.
One new notification from Amazon. U.S. National Weather Service has issued an air quality alert for Pittsburgh. It'll be in effect until March 16th, 4 p.m. EDT.
Are you kidding?
Notification.
One new notification from Amazon. U.S. National Weather Service has issued a dense fog advisory for Yarmouth Port. It'll be in effect until March 19th, 12 p.m. EDT.
Notification.
One new notification from Amazon. U.S. National Weather Service has issued a freeze warning for Richmond. It'll be in effect from April 17th, 2 a.m. EDT until April 17th, 10 a.m.
Alexa, notification.
One new notification from Amazon. U.S. National Weather Service has issued a high wind warning for Yarmouth Port. It'll be in effect from April 19th, 1 a.m. EDT until April 19th, 10 a.m.
Alexa, what's my notification?
One new notification from Amazon. U.S. National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Niles. It'll be in effect until April 4th, 2:30 p.m. CDT.
Thank you.
Alexa, what's the weather for tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Chicago, you'll see lots of sun and can expect a high of 78 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 55 degrees. By the way, there's a fire weather watch in effect on Wednesday, April.
Alexa, what's my notification?
One new notification from Amazon. U.S. National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for Bailey. It'll be in effect until May 16th, 10 p.m. EDT.
In our listening area, will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb, Ogle, Kane, and Lee counties. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA Weather Radio, W North G536 in DeKalb. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Winnebago, Boone,
I wonder what Alexa notifications pop up on the severe thunderstorm watch. Notifications.
One new notification from Amazon. U.S. National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for Orland Hills. It'll be in effect until June 29th, 5 p.m. CDT.
Yup, that is considered as the severe thunderstorm watch now issued for this area. Yeah, 27. No. Here we go. Severe thunderstorm watch is in effect. And Alexa will pop up as well on the Echo Dot.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 562, effective until 2 a.m. Saturday, or 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Bureau, Carroll, Cook,
what?
DuPage,
Let's check.
Iroquois,
Let's check that.
Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle,
Let me check.
Livingston, Marshall, McHenry, McLean,
Wow.
Stevenson,
Here we go.
Whiteside, Will, Winnebago,
That
Woodford,
was-
and the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper,
Here goes.
Lake,
Here goes Indiana.
Porter, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor,
Here was
Illinois,
Indiana.
Wilmette Harbor to Northern Island, Illinois, Northern Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana, Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana, and Burns Harbor to Michigan
This
City,
intense.
Indiana. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service is...
Let's check with Alexa. Doesn't pop up. Let's wait. And that is pop up. Notifications.
One new notification from Amazon. U.S. National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for Orland Hills. It'll be in effect until July 29th, 2 a.m. CDT.
And the iPad has also popped up the severe thunderstorm watch too.
Consider seeking shelter inside a building. This is North Weather Radio, KXI-58 Plano.
Let's wait.
Warning and advisory in effect. Plano and
So it's
surrounding
until
areas.
tomorrow, July 29th at 2
In
a.m.
effect until 9 p.m. for the following
How about
counties
ours?
in Illinois, Grundy and LaSalle. Severe thunderstorm watch number 562 has been issued until 2 a.m. Saturday for the following counties in Illinois: DeKalb, DuPage, Grundy, Kane,
In
Kendall,
Chicago?
LaSalle, and
Now let's
Will.
wait for the Orland Hills one and our location.
9 p.m. for the following counties will run
Okay,
severe weather alarm
okay.
tones for DeKalb,
Especially the
Kane,
flood watch is currently in effect. Now the severe thunderstorm warning expecting for Elgin. That doesn't pop up there.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central King County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, western Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:15 p.m. Western Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:15 p.m. were located near
Goodness,
severe
the severe thunderstorm has
near
detected.
Valley View and near Elbert, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hail. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Hail damage to
Source,
vehicles is
radar
expected.
indicated.
Expect wind
Impact,
damage to
hail
roofs,
damage to
siding,
vehicles is
and
expected.
trees.
Expect wind
Locations
damage to
impacted
roofs,
Elgin,
siding,
Wheaton,
and trees.
Bartlett, Streamwood,
Locations
Carroll
impacted
Stream,
include
Hanover
Elgin,
Park,
Wheaton,
Addison,
Bartlett,
Glendale Heights,
Streamwood,
St.
Carroll
Charles,
Stream,
West
Hanover
Chicago,
Park, Addison,
Batavia,
Glendale
Geneva,
Heights,
Canton
St.
Hills,
Charles,
Roselle,
West Chicago,
Bloomingdale,
Batavia,
South Elgin,
Geneva,
North Aurora,
Canton Hills,
Springfield,
Roselle,
Malvern, and Wayne.
Bloomingdale, South Elgin, North Aurora,
Yeah.
Whitfield, Albert, and
Now
Wayne.
the issue for Elgin.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This is North Weather Radio, KZZ 81 Lockport. Severe
This is North Weather Radio.
Now the severe thunderstorm warning issued for Elgin as well as the other cities. Now let's check with Alexa what kind of flood watch that pops up the notification again. Just like the severe thunderstorm watch. Notifications.
One new notification from Amazon Shopping. Last month,
No good.
you bought Tory Burch body bag on Amazon. How many stars would you rate it from 1 to 5? It will help other customers make better choices.
Okay, instead of flood watch, it says on Amazon Shopping. Sorry about that.
What is the current weather?
In Orland Hills, it's 85 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Tonight, you can look for some clouds with a chance of thunder showers, with a low of 71 degrees. Also, there's a severe thunderstorm watch in effect until Saturday, July 29th, 2 a.m.
Alexa, what's my notification?
One new notification from Amazon. U.S. National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch for Bailey. It'll be in effect until December 10th, 8 p.m. EST.
Shit show in December. Hey Alexa, what are my weather alerts?
For Adelanto, California, a flood advisory is in effect until Tuesday, January 10th, 4:15 a.m. A high wind warning is in effect until Tuesday, January 10th, 6 p.m. A high wind watch is in effect until Wednesday, January 11th, 4 a.m. A special weather statement is in effect until Tuesday, January 10th, 11:45 a.m. And a wind advisory is in effect until Tuesday, January 10th, 7 p.m. By the way, you have a new notification. Do you want to hear it?
Yes.
One new notification from Amazon. U.S. National Weather Service has issued a wind advisory for Flat Rock. It'll be in effect from December 17th, 7 p.m. EST until December 19th, 3 p.m.
Alexa, repeat.
In Tallahassee, Florida, it's 82 degrees Fahrenheit with partly sunny skies. Tonight, you can look for lots of clouds with showers, with a low of 72 degrees. Also, there's an aerial flood advisory in effect until Saturday, September 14th, 7 p.m.
Alexa, is there a weather alert?
Currently, in Portsmouth, Rhode Island, it's 57 degrees Fahrenheit with rain. You can expect more of the same tonight, with a low of 57 degrees. Also, there's a high surf advisory in effect until Sunday, September 22nd, 8 p.m.
That is a lot of rain.
Alright everyone, State College WX here, along with
Me, Mr. Clock. So, the time is 9:44.
and the temperature is 73 degrees. And we have a notification here. Okay, here we go. Let's see what this is. Alexa, what's my notification?
Good morning.
Oh,
baby.
yeah.
One new notification.
Forgot.
From Amazon. U.S. National Weather Service has issued a fire weather watch for Midway.
Ooh.
It'll be in effect from November 1st, 12 p.m. EDT until November 1st, 7 p.m.
Okay. Okay, that means this thing got it. Echo, what's my notification?
One new notification. From Amazon. U.S. National Weather Service has issued a fire weather watch for McSherrystown. It'll be in effect from November 1st, 12 p.m. EDT until November 1st, 7 p.m.
There you go, that's basically it. I do really hope you really enjoyed. That's going to be it for today.
If your car's out of warranty.
From Amazon. U.S. National Weather Service has issued an aerial flood advisory for Alameda. It'll be in effect until November 22nd, 9 p.m. PST. From Amazon. U.S. National Weather Service has issued a cold weather advisory for Spring Hill. It'll be in effect from February 20th, 12 a.m. CST until February 20th, 10 a.m.
Alexa, are there any weather alerts for Gordonville, Texas today?
Right now in Gordonville, Texas, it's 78 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly sunny skies. Today's forecast has lots of wind, with a high of 80 degrees and a low of 53 degrees. Also, there's a fire weather watch in effect until Friday, March 14th, 7 p.m.
Thank you.
Alexa, what's the weather?
Currently, in San Jose, it's 63 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly clear skies. Tonight, you can expect clear skies, with a low of 54 degrees. Also, there's a coastal flood advisory in effect from Sunday, June 22nd, 6 p.m. to Monday, June 23rd, 12 a.m.
Echo, is there a weather alert?
Right now in Pasadena, it's 90 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Throughout the day you can expect more of the same, with a high of 92 degrees and a low of 64 degrees. Also, there's an air quality alert in effect until Thursday, July 10th, 8:15 p.m.
So there's an air quality alert. So we gotta run!
Amazon, what is the weather?
In St. Clair Falls, Y, it's 69 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun. Today, you can look for hazy sunshine, with a high of 75 degrees and a low of 51 degrees. Also, there's an air quality alert in effect until Friday, August 1st, 12 p.m.
Alexa got it right.
Alexa, what's the weather today?
Currently, in Riverside it's 84 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly sunny skies. Tonight, you can expect clear skies, with a low of 68 degrees. Also, there's a heat advisory in effect until Monday, August 11th, 8 p.m.